What's up, everyone? It's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. For today, we're back for another reaction video for the 2025 MMFF official entry, and this is for Call Me Mother, starring Vice Ganda and Nadine Lustre, and Love You So Bad, starring Bianca De Vera, Will Ashley, and Dustin Yu. And of course, before we proceed, guys, say hi to my BFF for today. This is La Susu. Yes, my Labubu microphone. Look at this. It's so cute. It's so colorful. And she will be our best buddy for today for our best audio. Yes, because we have a new setup, new background, as you can see, and new lighting on the side. Charet. And of course, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries because there are going to be more exciting reaction, and also not only that, I'm going to bring more contents for you guys like mysteries, solving mysteries, and of course another commentary to current events. That's why you stay tuned for the next video or upcoming videos here in Truly Asia Diaries. That's why show me some love, guys, and support me in this journey. And of course, I'm so excited today dahil ito na nga ang dalawa sa pinakabagong entry for MMFF na talaga naman aabangan. At unahin na natin ang entry ng Meme Vice at Nadine Lustre, which is Call Me Mother. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. Ay, Shala ng Meme, naka-skateboard. At may dala siyang bata.
Paano ginagawa ng mga anak?
Oh my God, mukhang dramatic na naman to, guys. Nakita niyo naman ang entry ng Meme. Very Meme Vice Ganda entry sa kanyang pagpasok. Oo, nakita niyo naman naka-skateboard. Oh, at medyo taong grasa vibe siya dito at may dala siyang baby. Sino itong baby na ito? At talaga naman mukhang pagod na pagod siya dito sa part na to ng movie. Ano? And of course, nakita naman natin ang kanyang narration. Paano nga ba ginagawa ang mga bata? Pero siguro itatakal dito, paano ba maging ina? Kasi nga, Call Me Mother ang title, guys.
Laging tinatanong.
So let's see. At umiilaw ang kanyang mga Christmas lights.
Paano ginagawa ang mga anak?
Naku, ABS-CBN Studio Star Cinema Idea First and Viva Films. Oh my God, it's Nadine Lustre. Nadine Lustre is the mother of the child. Siya ang nanay. So tingnan natin, parang may pastela dito siguro. Maybe they're BFF, magkapatid, blood-related, relative. So di natin malalaman pa dahil this is just a teaser, guys. So they're just showcasing us what is the concept of the movie.
Nung iniwan sa akin yung bata, hindi rin naman ako ready nun. Hindi naman ako naging nanay overnight. At hanggang ngayon, pilit ko pa rin dinidiscover kung paano maging ina.
Ay, oh my God! Hold on, guys. Nandito ang PBB Collab Celebrity Edition na sina Mika at Brent.
Pilit ko pa rin dinidiscover kung paano maging ina.
Diba? Mika at Brent, Shubi, Esnir, and Ate Klang. Familia de Guzman, guys. And of course, nakita naman natin na parang kasama naman nila si Nadine doon sa eksena na yon. So, tingnan natin, siguro babawiin na Nadine ang kanyang anak. Kaya lang malaki na. Iniwan niya ng baby, binawi niya ng malaki na. So, yun ang magiging tema ng movie na ito. And of course, para siyang yung kay Joey Caparas. Caparas nga ba yun? Na Becky Kang ba yun? Parang ganon. So, yun ang kanilang concept or storyline. So, hindi lang natin alam ano yung connection, bakit kukunin na Nadine, bakit niya iniwan. That's the question that we're gonna answer. But of course, sa official trailer makikita natin yan. But this is just a teaser, guys. At nakita yun naman sinasabi ni Meme, hindi siya naging ina overnight. So it's like, paano nga ba nagiging nanay?
Hindi
Diba?
naman ako ready nun. Hindi naman ako naging nanay overnight. At hanggang ngayon, pilit ko pa rin dinidiscover kung paano maging ina.
Oh my God, Mick Brent is here at Familia de Guzman.
Sino po ang magulang ng bata?
Pero ako, gusto kong malaman, paano naman ginagawa ang isang ina?
Oh my God. The theme song is Tala in a slow version. And ayun na nga sinabi ni Meme na paano nga ba ginagawa ang mga ina, how mothers are made. 'Di ba? So it can be, you should be the real mother. Dapat ba ikaw talaga ang tunay na ina, or you can be a mother kahit hindi ka tunay na babae? That's a good question, guys. Wow, best actress.
Isang ina.
What's that? Three-time FAMAS Award winner and a multimedia superstar, Nadine Lustre. Kabog. And 73rd FAMAS Best Actor and Unkabogable Phenomenal Box Office Superstar, Meme Vice Ganda.
Isang ina.
Bardagulan to, guys.
Aampunin ko na ang bata. Kaya pirmahan mo to para makalayas
Ay,
na kami.
syempre may bardagulan din ng comedy.
Sa God-forsaken country, the Philippines.
Ay.
That is so predictable.
Call me mother.
May isa pa ako.
A film by June Robles Lana this Christmas. So official entry sa MMFF 2025. There you have it, guys. That is the official teaser of Call Me Mother starring Meme Vice Ganda and Nadine Lustre with a PBB Celebrity Collab Edition. Mika and Brent, Shubi and Chata, Esnir, and of course, Ate Clang de Guzman. Ako, nakaka-excite, guys. Star-studded. And of course, Meme Vice is back with another dramatic and comedy movie na abangan natin this Christmas. Kasi last year, di ba, the breadwinner is, grabe ang storyline, grabe ang bagong Vice Ganda. And today, tinutuloy na to ni Meme for this new movie or this offering for MMFF 2025. Kaya naman super excited. How about you guys? What you can say about this teaser? And of course, abangan natin ang kanilang official trailer. And now, let's go to the next teaser, which is entitled Love You So Bad, starring Will Ashley, Dustin Yu, and Bianca De Vera, another PBB collab celebrity. They are the breakthrough love triangle of the year. Kasi originally, alam naman natin that Bianca and Will is the love team dun sa Unbreak My Heart. And then nung pumasok si Bianca sa PBB house, nakilala niya si Dustin Yu. At ngayon na nga ay meron silang pelikula. So yan ang titignan natin. What is this movie all about? That's why, what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my God, it's ABS-CBN Studios, Star Cinema, GMA Pictures, and Regal Entertainment. Ay, shala, Dustin. Naging Will. Hold on, guys. So, dilulu lang ba dito si Bianca? Dahil una si Dustin, tapos bigla naging si Will. And of course, you know what I like about Bianca? I think she's the next it girl of her generation. She's like Ann Curtis vibe. Of course, Ann Curtis is Ann Curtis. But the new generation, like, I can see Bianca as the next Ann Curtis. Or she can make her own mark. And nakita natin, nagiging dalawa ang kanyang paningin. So delulu lang, Bianca? Oo. Ayaw mo mamigay? Charot. Ay, hindi mata. Oh my God, ano to, guys? Bakit ganon?
Ito ka lang.
Ay. Oh my God! Akala ko may kissing scene, diba? Hindi natin na-expect yun. But, nakita nyo naman, nalaseng, tapos dalawa yung paningin. Nangyayari sa atin yan. Siguro parang, mahal na mahal ni Bianca. Si Dustin ba ay namatay dito at mahal na mahal niya, and then nakita niya kay Will? Or dalawang tao talaga ang kanyang minamahal? Parang two love story. Pipili ka kung kasi si Dustin medyo bad boy, tapos si Will good boy. Anong kaya ang storyline nito? Makikita natin yan sa totoong official trailer. But right now, let's just see what is the teaser all about. Ang pogi ni Will! Grabe. Si Dustin din. Ay, di iiwan.
Iwan, please.
Oh my God. Parang ang sakit naman ng pagkakasabi na yun ni Bianca. Ang pogi ni Dustin din, no? Pero ako maka-will ako eh. Sorry guys. But yeah, Dustin is really hot.
Kita iiwan.
Huwag mo ko iwan, please.
Sige.
Oh. Oh, love you so bad. Tapos, biglang wala yung dalawa. What happened, Bianca? Love you so bad. Ay! Oh! Di ba guys, I told you, kasi Dustin, parang bad boy vibe, kasi naka-black din siya, oh, naka-leather, so parang bad boy. And then Will, na parang nerdy, good boy, and in white. So, sinong pipiliin mo, Bianca? Oo, pumili ka, dahil sa amin na lang yung isa. Charet. Oh my God, parang exciting din to, ah. And Bianca De Vera. Ay, May Cruz Alviar. Official entry for Manila Film Festival. There you have it, guys. That is the official teaser of Love You So Bad, starring the breakthrough love triangle of the year, Dustin Yu, Bianca De Vera, and Will Ashley. Oh my God, guys. Parang, ano siya, no? Pipili si Bianca. Doon ka ba sa red flag or sa green flag? Ah, ganun yun. Parang Squid Game. Charet. And of course, gawang Star Cinema with GMA Pictures and also Regal. So, for sure, pinaghandaan to at kaabang-abang ang storyline. So, abangan natin ang official teaser. How about you guys? What can you say about this? Are you Team Dustin or Team Will? Comment down below at pag-usapan natin yan. And of course, if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.